There is this rhythm I want to show you. It goes like this. It's a rumba rhythm, it's a climax. Is it from Barua Yako? So let me show you this rhythm quickly. Okay. So this is how you play that rhythm. Very quick. This is how you play that rhythm. I want you to play come and play your key of F. Play your key of F. All right. Play the key of F. Very fast. You are there. Now play string 3 2 1. 3 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2. Okay. And then on the what? On the 8th fret, I want you to play string number 2. 8th fret, play string number 2. So you have, I don't know which fingers you're going to use, but zenye unasikia uko comfortable nazo, cheza tu nazo, sawa? So after doing that, now you have, now on the 7th fret, play string number 3. On the 7th fret, play string number 3. 7th fret, play string number 3. On the 8th fret, play string number 4. On the 7th fret, play string number 3. On the 8th fret, play string number 4. So you have, on the 7th fret, play string number 4. So you have, okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2, repeat the same thing, but now I want you to finish on the 5th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, play 4th string. On the 5th fret, play 4th string, and then finish up with everything. Finish up with number 4. Let me repeat there. Finish with everything 4. Malizia na number 4. Malizia na string 4. So you have, We are done with the step 1. Now, step 2, repeat the same thing again. The way you started it like this. But now, I want you to do it like this. Play string number 1. Play string number 1. Play string number 1, 8th fret, to sound like. And then play string number 1, 6th fret, to sound like. Are we together? Now bring back the previous steps. And then the previous steps. Okay? So, all together you have now last step. So I want you to play. This is going to be a little bit harder. So I want you to play. Watch. So that you can sound like. All right. Okay. All right. So after doing that, repeat the previous steps. Fret number 5, 6, 7. Fret number 7, 3rd string. Fret number 8, 4th string. Are we together? So you have as easy as a pie. Like that, bro. Like that. Like